Mrs. Lantz, I miss you all so much. I think about you every day. We're going to study about the naturalists. They are a group of artists who pay very close attention to the detail of flora and fauna, which is plants and animals, and drew them. This was very important because they didn't have cameras back then. So the information that these artists took down was used for science and for the enjoyment of people who maybe couldn't see a plant like this. Maybe they lived in a different area of the world, and this was their opportunity to see something very special. So I'm going to ask you to go out into your area around your house and find something that you think is unique and draw it as detailed as possible, and maybe make some notes about the information about the plant. And then when we get to see each other again, we can bring them all together and create a book, and we'll keep it on display at Riverside. It'll help us remember this interesting time in our lives. Anyway, it's great to talk to you. I'd love to hear from you. I miss you all again, and happy drawing!